Hi, so today we're doing Chapter 7, Lesson 9. We're doing equations with multiple operations. And we went over it a little bit in yesterday's lesson, and we're going to take it a little further today. We're going to be doing some word problems in here. So let's look at example. Well, it says right here, you have used tables to show equations with one operation. A table can also help you show equations with two operations. It's the same thing. It's what happens in that machine. The input goes in, something happens, and the output comes out. So let's look here. Sam earns $7 each time he rakes his neighbor's lawn. He also earns $5 each week for doing chores at home. Sam wants to find out what he will earn in a week if he does chores and rakes the lawn 1, 2, or 3 times. So we're going to figure it out with each one, how many times he does rakes the lawn. So the first time they've said they want us to figure, so here we're going to have to write our equation. And we're going to start with the 1, but we're just going to do the equation with the variables right here. So the dollars earned from raking are $7. Each time he rakes, he gets $7. Times he rakes the lawn, this is the variable, like we're going to either put a 1 here if he rakes the lawn once, if he rakes the lawn twice, if he rakes the lawn 3 times. Then we also know that he earns that $5 for his chores, from doing his chores at home. And that once we do that, it's going to equal how much money that he is going to make. So they've done it right here with us with the 1. So they've input the 1 into the equation. You're just putting it right into the equation. 7 times T is how many times he mowed the lawn 1 time, plus 5 equals 12. Because 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So if he mows the lawn once, he will earn $12. If he rakes the lawn, not mows the lawn. If he rakes the lawn twice, he will earn how much? So we're going to do the same thing. They put a 2 here right into where the input is. And remember, remember your orders of operations, parentheses first. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 5 equals 19. So we're going to put 19 here. So if he mows the lawn twice, or rakes the lawn, he's going to earn $19. Now we're going to find out how much money he's going to earn if he rakes the lawn 3 times. Once again, we're just putting it in here. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 5 equals 26. So he will earn $26 if he rakes the lawn 3 times. We're just simply plugging in the numbers into the equation and figuring it out. You guys are doing algebra. That's awesome. Okay. So once again, we're going to do it here. Example is complete the table to find output numbers when x equals 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? These helpful hints are always important. If you see those, you really need to make sure you're looking at them. All right, solve what is between the parentheses first. Okay, that's always a good reminder. Okay, so they've done 1. They've already done this one for us. Okay, they put the 1 in and they've completed it. Now we're going to find the value for this one right here. If we put in the number 2 into the equation where the x is, okay? And so we're just simply writing it out. 2 times 9 minus, up here is the x, they've input the 2 for us, okay? Plus 3 equals y. We always do the parentheses first, so 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, then we're going to bring it all down as you're doing it, bring it all down. 2 times 7 plus 3 equals y. So now we're going to do 2 times 7 is 14. Bring that 3 down. Plus 3 equals y, and 14 plus 3 is 17. So y equals 17 when we put the 2 in. Now they want us to do it with the 3. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the same thing. The equation is right here. 2 times 9 minus, they want us to put a 3 in, 3 plus 3 equals y. Okay, what do we do first? We do the parentheses first. Okay, so what's 9 minus 3? All right, what's 9 minus 3? 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, and we're going to bring all of this down. Okay, now we're going to do the multiplication next. 2 times 6. Well, 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 3 equals y. 12 plus 3 is 15. Good. So 15 goes here, 15 goes here. All right. I'm also going to do it with the 4. I'm going to do it on my scratch paper here because I don't want to confuse you. So the still 2 times, it's going to be 9 minus, there's an x here, they want us to do x equals 4. So I'm going to input the 4 right here. Plus 3 equals y. Okay, going to do the what? The parentheses, that's the number we put in. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, and we're going to bring all of this down. Then I'm going to do the multiplication next because that's part of the orders of operations. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 3 equals 13. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 13 here. That's 13. So when x was 4, it's 13. Now I'm going to go ahead and do it one more time with x being the 5. Okay, same thing, we're just plugging it in. All right, so put that here. So it's 2 times 9 minus 5 plus 3 equals y. What do we do first? Parentheses. 9 minus 5 is 4, and I'm going to bring all of this straight down. That will help me not forget any numbers. Then I'm going to go 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3 equals what? 8 plus 3 is 11. So y equals 11. So I'm going to put that here. Okay. Describe patterns you see in the table. Okay, well, what do you see there? What are we seeing here? Well, I see that these are decreasing by 2. Okay. So you're going to discuss those patterns. What is it that you see? Let's see, all of these numbers are odd. All the y values are odd. Okay, so there's a few different things you could write here. Y values are odd. Output decreases by 2. Okay, and you might find some more patterns. Okay, all right, there you go.